Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to convert Robinhood crypto to cash and then withdraw. Now first, you need to verify first your account and then provide the specific details like full name, physical address, official personal document like the license or the passport, and a date of birth. Now it will take 5 days business and able for you to activate by transferring the crypto to your wallet. Here's the step on how to send a crypto directly to your wallet. Now if you want to withdraw the money, go to your account into the person's icon and select the menu onto the 3 bars. Go on to the transfers and go on withdraw. Now enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and then choose Robinhood account that you want to withdraw from money. And then select a link external accounts to withdraw to. If your account qualifies, instant transfers eligible will show next to the external accounts. And then you can review the withdrawal and confirm any associate fees and then select on transfer. There is also steps directly for the Web Classic. Now, the fastest way in order for you to transfer your crypto on as a cash and a withdraw is by buying or selling. It automatically be applied onto your balance onto Robinhood, and you can follow these steps on to your account and able for you to receive it to your bank account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.